Yo, what's going on everybody? Today I will be doing an unboxing on the Redragon M656 and it's a Gainer wireless version and it has a 4000 DPI. As you guys can see, 2.4 GHz wireless technology. You need one AA battery and it is going to be really cool for my setup. You guys probably know I need a new gaming mouse and I've been waiting for one for a very long time, so we're gonna unbox this budget gaming mouse. As you guys can see, if you open up the box of the Redragon mouse, you'll immediately be greeted with the mouse itself and of course the adapter you can use on your PC. And you get some instructions as well, as you guys can see, but we'll get into that a little bit later. First off, this mouse looks really good and I really like what they did with the packaging. And yeah, this is our adapter down there, as you guys can see. So over here you guys can see is some instructions that is included over here. There you go, it's just basically a instruction manual. Over here are some stickers for if you guys want some cool things. I guess that you can do anything with these stickers, it's up to you. And then yeah, we're honestly going to take a look at this mouse and hopefully you guys can get a clear view of how this looks. Of course, I will test it out, basically test out the software, test it out in some games and everything in this video. But yeah, honestly, we're quickly going to complete the unboxing. Over here you guys can see is the adapter. It looks high quality. And then of course this is the mouse. And already it's kind of light. It doesn't feel very heavy, but I mean for this price range you guys can't really complain. Also, if you guys want to check out this mouse, I will drop the Amazon link down below in the description of this video, so be sure to check it out down below. And yeah, as you guys can see, you get some side mounted buttons. I believe there is 7 programmable keys and 10 million click life, 500 Hz report rate and 4000 DPI and gaming grade sensor. I think that's all the stats, guys. Sorry if you guys are not interested in all those stuff, but first off, this is not a rechargeable mouse, so you're gonna have to use some batteries. That is a drawback, but do not worry, because I actually use some rechargeable Energizer batteries. So you guys can, I'll link some rechargeable batteries down below as well on Amazon, so you guys can check them out. They're way cheaper in the long run and it's safer for the environment, everything like that. So we're just gonna use one of these and then it's kind of almost the same like charging the mouse. And yeah, over here you guys can see we are gonna close up the mouse and this is basically the switches. So you guys can see you have eco mode off or on. Eco mode is no RGB, on is just with a little bit of RGB. Over here guys, I'm quickly going to show you guys where to plug in this adapter for the mouse. Of course you should plug it in your motherboard, but for the sake of the video I'm going to show you guys how to plug it in over here on top of the PC. So yeah, basically just plug it into a USB port on your motherboard or anywhere like that. And that's basically it for how to connect the mouse. And finally guys, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly install the software. So as you guys can see, this is basically the software. You can go to the Redragon website, just type in software or whatever, and then you guys can just go to the mice option over here, type in Gainer, and click on this one right here. This is the exact mouse. It's kind of cool for this price range that it actually comes with software, which I didn't expect at all. But over here you guys can see, just press download. Then you can wait for it to finish. Then you click on this button, open it up over here, and then you guys can quickly run this application. And for some reason, it says Windows protected your PC. So I don't know why. It's kind of safe because it's Redragon, so I don't really think it's too bad. I just think it's probably like a small program. So I just decided, you know what, bro, I'm just gonna run it anyway because it's from a safe website, it's from their official website. Over here you guys can see it's just where I basically chose to install it. Then I finished it up over here and now your software is ready. Over here you guys can see is a bunch of different things, precision clicker or something. And then of course you guys get some other options like mouse sensitivity and a bunch of other things. You can get a what is this, guys, polling rate and DPI. You can set everything in the software. No RGB support, but oh well, it's all good. As you guys can see, this is how the mouse kind of looks when it's turned on. So you just have the dragon logo lit up over there in red. That's basically the only light on this mouse, at least for mine. And yeah, it's honestly not too bad for the price range. Over here, guys, we were quickly in Fortnite, and I'm quickly gonna set up some keybinds on this, or some buttons on this mouse. So you guys can see, just go to any game and just press the button you guys want to use on the mouse for a certain feature. And then of course after that you guys can just quickly click apply and test. And yeah, over here guys, we're quickly gonna boat a little bit in Fortnite. As you guys can see, really fast, and no input delay at all, or noticeable input delay at least. I don't know for the hardcore gamers, but I really do not feel any input delay. And yeah, I am a very big gamer. I've been gaming for a few years. But anyway guys, I really think this mouse is worth it, so make sure to check it down below. I will link it down below for the Amazon link if you guys want to check it out. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys are interested in other gaming products, you guys can check out the video on the right side corner up here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.